Inward Processing Customs Arrangement (TPA in Spanish) allows non-EU goods imported to the EU to be processed without customs duties or VAT on the goods being used. This mechanism is widely used in the yachting industry for the repair or maintenance of non-EU vessels in order to benefit from VAT and customs exemption on those works. Traditionally, in Spain, this mechanism, in order to be discharged, has required that goods effectively have left the customs area of the European Union by arriving to non-EU port, and that way closing the customs mechanism. However, the customs authorities in Spain have adopted a more flexible approach based on the new wording of the new customs code approved in 2016. With this new approach, in Spain currently TPA repairs can be closed in two different ways: by making use of the traditional mechanism consisting in departing the EU customs area, or alternatively, yachts can now go further 12 nautical miles from the Spanish coast and that way complete the exportation. In that case, it will be required to provide proof by means of plotter or GPS records showing that the vessel has been in international waters, and afterwards it will be entitled to come back straight into Spanish port and consider the TPA properly discharged. Thank you.